Good morning, guys. J.R. Shelby, the general manager at Palm Harbor Homes here in Victoria. I'm currently standing in our Magnum floor plan. This video today is not to come and show you around the Magnum. I wanted to come and tell you about a promo we got going. Right now, through the month of November, we've partnered with the food bank here in Victoria, Texas. We're asking that anybody that can come in, bring 10 canned good items. We're going to offer you a discount on single wide and double wide homes. They've got a list of their most necessary items up front. Obviously, they'll take any non-perishable items, but bring 10 of them. We'll give you a $3,000 discount on a single wide, a $6,000 discount on a double wide. This is just us trying to show our support to the food bank going into Thanksgiving and Christmas time and donating as much food as possible to the community of Victoria. Alan wanted to share a few words with you as well.
Yeah, Victoria, if you just happen to want to just drop by, if you want a point of delivery, hey, I've got some cans, I want to help out the food bank, but you're not necessarily in the market for a home, please stop by, drop the cans off. We really want to promote the food bank and get this, going for the holidays. And if you happen to want to see one of our homes, to see what it looks like on the inside, we'd be happy to show it to you. But hey, if you've got a few cans just to drop off, please drop by, drop it off, and we're, like I said, we're trying to do this to help the food bank and the city of Victoria. Thank you.
Thank you, Alan. Thank you, guys. Y'all have a happy holidays, and we look forward to speaking with you all soon. Thank you.